Hi guys, welcome to Get Real Life TV. This is where we promote African culture, traditions and religion. I thank you for your support on this page. I thank you for your kindness. And please, for those of you who are my members, I thank you so much for being my monthly members. And if you want to support me by making use of the membership link, please kindly click the join button down below to show your support to me by choosing any of the categories that is comfortable for you. Thank you very much. In this video, I want to show a video to you, and this video will speak for itself. Okay, over the years, a long time ago, the Abrahamic religion followers are of the opinion, or they feel that Babalawos are the ones making human sacrifice. I've interviewed a lot of Babalawos and I've asked them this question, and their answers or their reply to the questions that I asked them about human sacrifice will be proved. This video I'm about to play is a testimony to the answers I usually get from my invited Babalawos. So before I say anything about this, let me just allow you to watch this video, just a little bit of this video, for you to understand what I want to say. Just take a look. Kí ni tó ṣẹlẹ̀? Wọ́n bá báwo ló ṣe jẹ́? Báwo ló ṣe jẹ́? Bó lẹ ti rí, báwo ló dẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́?
Àwọn tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ kan ta fún mi rí.
Ẹ ti máa darú ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ àbí?
Darú ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀.
Ibo lẹ gbé orí tẹ wá jó yẹn sí?
Ojú náà ló wà fún.
Kí lẹ fẹ́ fi ṣe?
Mo fẹ́ lò fún bíbò àṣírí.
Bíbò àṣírí?
Bíbò àṣírí.
Ta ló bẹ̀ yín níṣẹ́ bíbò àṣírí yẹn?
Mi ni mo fẹ́ lò fúnra mi.
Ẹ̀yin lẹ fẹ́ fi ṣe fúnra yín? Ṣé babaláwo lẹ̀yin?
Àfáà ni mi.
Àfáà ni yín? Ẹ wá fẹ́ jóògùn yẹn fúnra yín? Ìyàwó yín àtọmọ yín kọ́? Kí ló tẹ́ ẹ lò àwọn yẹn? Ṣé wọ́n láwọn yẹn ò ní jẹ́ ni? Àfà, kí ló tẹ́ ẹ lò ọmọ yín tàbí ìyàwó yín? Èló lẹ ra orí yìí lọ́wọ́ wọn?
35,000.
Owó ta lẹ ti rà gangan? Ẹ dá orúkọ ẹ̀.
Ismail Murana.
Mo fún lówó. Lẹ́kan ọkọ̀ fún Ifá.
Ta ni Ifá?
Ìyẹn wọn rí yẹn mú.
Wọ́n rí yẹn mú.
Ìyẹn tó tà fún agangan ni.
So ọwọ́ wọn lẹ ti rà? Ṣẹ̀yìn ti bẹ̀ wọ́n lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé nílò ẹ̀?
Ẹbí last week náà mo sọ fún wọn.
Last week lẹ sọ fún
Bẹ́ẹ̀ nídìí orí.
Àfáà yìí náà ni.
Ọjọ́ wo náà gbé wá fún yín?
Sunday ni.
Sunday ìjẹta náà gbé wá fún yín ní tútù àbí? Ní ige tán sì gé náà lẹ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lò. Ó tó aago mélòó tán gbé wá?
Bí aago 3 ṣá.
Lọ́sàn-án. Gbà ó lẹ wá jó?
Mo jó wálé náà.
Ìjó wálé nínú ilé ọ̀dọ̀ yín àbẹ́gbálé ni? Nínú ilé ọ̀dọ̀ yín tẹ kọ́ńbó? Ìdí ayùn rẹ̀.
Welcome back. So it is a fact that our Babalawos do not do human sacrifice. They don't make human sacrifice, and they have said it several times that human sacrifice does not exist as far as Isese is concerned. So just you heard what the interviewers asked this suspect. This suspect said that he's a Muslim, and to my surprise, the interviewer thought that he's a Babalawo. And in Ifa, there is no anywhere in Ifa, there is no place in Ifa that says that human sacrifice should be done. So our Babalawos make use of animals, eku, ẹja, ewúrẹ́, ẹran. These are what they use. So I hope all the Muslims that usually condemn Isese have listened to this video, to this suspect in this video. So we don't know how they come about their human sacrifice. all the people that are offering human sacrifice in the name of Isese, I think you've heard it. The question was asked that, are you a Babalawo? He said, no, I am not a Babalawo. I am alfa. I am an alfa. That was what he said. And I know that some of these Muslims will come out to say this is not a Muslim. But if he has done good, you guys will say it's a Muslim. Now that this suspect has done something wrong now, I'm sure that you guys will say he's not a Muslim. So I'm just using this video to remind you all that our Babalawo do not do human sacrifice. And for the interviewer, he asked, maybe he thought that it's a Babalawo. So I'm happy that he was truthful. He said he is not a Babalawo, that is an alfa. And virtually all of them are all Muslims. They are all Muslims. So I'm reminding you, and why I'm reminding you guys, all you Muslim guys that are like feeling big, that what they do is right. And I want to tell you guys that most Muslims, most of them go to Babalawos. And as they are going to Babalawo, they go to Babalawos to get power. They want to do anything to get power. And to their surprise, when they go to Babalawo and what they want cannot be achieved, they will run away. They will go back to their own normal Islamic way of life or religion or what they do as Muslims. But they are looking for power. They are looking for power. They forgot that, okay, for the fact that we say our Babalawo, they are powerful, they are spiritual. So they thought that, okay, they should come to Babalawo to seek for shortcuts to success. So what this suspect just did is just that he has been misinformed. He has been misinformed, or maybe he got his own knowledge somewhere or thereabout. But by practice, he's a Muslim. He's alfa, as according to what he said. And I don't know him from anywhere. And you have watched the video by yourself. You've heard what he said. He said he's alfa. So this is my take. This video is just to remind you Muslims, guys, that Babalawo are not human spiritualists. They are not. They don't use human for sacrifice. So we don't do human sacrifice in Isese. So all the Muslims that are using Islam to cover their face and they go to do human sacrifice in the name of Isese, this is how you will all be exposed. Gradually, you are going to be exposed. I've never for once in my life seen where a Babalawo does human sacrifice and is caught like this, because you can never catch a Babalawo doing human sacrifice, because it does not do it. It does not do it. We don't do it in Isese. Okay, those people that are doing human sacrifice, they are not Isese practitioners. Go and do your research. I've never heard of it that Oshun practitioner or Ogun practitioner or Ifa practitioner or Batala and all other orishas like that. I've never heard any of them do human sacrifice. Okay, so those that are doing human sacrifice, they are not Isese practitioners. So you Muslims, I think you should relax now. Okay, and you should stop condemning Isese. You should check yourself. Thank you very much and get a better life.